Oh, shut up. What time is it? I gotta make coffee. Ugh. That looks like a good breakfast. That'll work. Just waiting on my coffee. Oh, maybe that'll wake me up. What am I doing? Hardly any light and it's nice and foggy. You know what I'm doing this morning? I'm running a boat. Alright, today I'm out on a 2020 25-foot Boston whaler. It is considered an outrage. So, going through the channel here, we got to go real slow. Just now hit 3 foot. It's really low tide. So we just got to go easy through the channel. I got the motors trimmed up. We're gonna get out here. We kind of got a little later start, but that's all right. We had to stop and get ice, get everything loaded up on the boat. That took a little bit. Get trolling motor mounted on here. As soon as I can get out of here a little ways, be able to step down on this thing, and we got to go to another dock and pick up one other person. So we're gonna go see what we can catch. What she said. Look at that there. That sucker's huge. I'm having to follow my tracks here.
Piece of pipe.
Yeah, they got a pipe out there. I'm having to follow my track line because it's still foggy. They're only going 10.5 miles an hour. But gotta go slow, gotta be safe. Might be kind of hard to hear me here. We got Captain Sean with us right now, and we just caught a whole bunch of bait, and we're probably 3 miles offshore. Well, we're moving to a different spot. Had about 3 or 4 dolphins just constantly all around the boat. So, moving to a different place. Sometimes what you gotta do is just play around and find them. We're way from where we started. We're about 15-20 miles from where we started. Got 2 Mercury, what, 200? Yeah, 2 Mercury 250s on this, 4-stroke. Couple dolphin right there. Questions, comments, please like and subscribe. Give me that thumbs up. I will see you all in the next video.